Take off these two bolts here and you unhook this, and then there's a sensor back here that you gotta take off the bolts and unhook. After you unscrew all the bolts and unhook this, you should pull out the sensor so you don't break any cables. And then there's also another hose clamp back here, which you're gonna need to loosen in order to pull out this part of the hose if it comes out. Anyway, let me take that off. There's also gonna be a hose clamp that you have to get, but it's all the way in the back here. So you gotta figure out how to get that out. Okay, so you gotta take off your air hose. Somehow figure out how to loosen this back here, this hose clamp, and then pull this off in order for your new intake to fit. Now these together should fit right on, and your new air hose will connect right here. Okay, and we'll just wiggle the hose on here and stretch it around from the inside. Is easy, and then you're gonna have to start getting your hose clamp on there, tighten it up. Okay, so now that we got this hose on and the clamp nice and tight to the engine, when you put this intake on, it's a little tight. You're gonna have to kind of put it on, twist it, and kind of roll it into the hose. It's gonna be the easiest way, but this is kind of in the way too. You want to be careful with that. And then get this hose clamp over on top, and when we tighten that up, then you connect your air hose right back on. Okay, now we just put everything back on. Everything is tightened and connected. Sensors plugged back in. I'm gonna have to reconnect this. I'm just gonna start the car, make sure everything is good and working.